I'm sitting at my desk looking at this beautiful orchid that my husband got for me, and I feel miserable. I feel miserable and can't get the beauty of this. Why? Because that beauty and amazingness is surrounded by all kinds of mess on my desk. Because you see, something beautiful cannot be surrounded with something messy and still give you peace of mind. Because being a woman, stuff talks to us. Pay me, sell me, buy me, use me, throw me away, repair me, clean me. Stuff is talking to us. And if it affects our brain, it affects our mood, and it affects our dating and relationship the most. Because it's so subtle, we don't even see it. I'll tell you 4 scenarios that are a proof that your surrounding is not harmonious. If we let ourselves be in an inner conflict in our head because there is this guy in our life and he shows up and he's amazing and he disappears. He shows up again, he ghosts, shows up again. We feel excited and frustrated at the same time. Lack of harmony. If there is a guy who you like, it's okay, but you know it's going nowhere. Lack of harmony. If you are between men because you have been so hurt and you actually given up on love. Lack of harmony. Because we are wired to love. We are wired biologically to connect. Or if you are in a solid, good relationship, but things are just, you remember good old times and now it's different. These things happen because our surrounding is not in harmony with our being. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to get together and use the ancient art and science of Feng Shui, and we're going to use the positive psychology of the West. So East meets West to give you the knowledge and understanding, depth and practical application of you. First thing what we do, we're gonna get together, and it's only open for 9 women, just 9. No more than 9, because we cannot handle more for this quiz and other things we need. First thing is a quiz. You will find out where your love leaks are. Where is love leaking? You may be very surprised thinking, oh, I never knew this could be it. Second thing, we will go to work. At 10 sharp, we're going to work. We're going to decorate, declutter, decorate, clean, organize, sort things in a way that is harmonious to your being, what we learned from the quiz. As we continue with the day, you will learn how to harmonize your yin and yang in the environment so you can actually use it later when it comes to dating. And that later is like next day or the same day. You will actually learn when it comes to dating, we often go either too soft and too feminine and become a doormat, or we go too strong and too masculine and become like a little Gestapo girl. We want to harmonize that. And that beauty is you. It's something that you will notice and see, experience and live into your own beauty of yourself. As we continue with the day, we will actually learn the very special technique of empowerment that is inside of you, so that later you never have to do this all over again in a big way like we will do. You will only have to do little touch-ups and it will feel so good and so delightful. In a company of 9 other women, you will see how they are transforming immediately and how you will too. I made it so affordable and so easy for all of us to join, and you will actually be seen as a different person by your friends, by your family, and you will actually feel completely different. More of you. You will be more of yourself, and your energy will show in your love, dating, and relationships. Join us down here. It's a full day. So I will send you a schedule and you will see full day with me, full day with other women, and complete result. You will get more done in this one day than you have done since the beginning of the year. Guaranteed. See you later. Bye.